Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to accept collaboration requests on Shopify. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to simply log into your Shopify account in order for you to accept any request from a store or for someone who wants this collaboration. So what you want to do is simply go to the settings, and then under settings, you have to look for users and permissions. Tap this one here. Now you have to scroll down till you see this collaborators. And under collaborators, you will see here notification. For example, Alexa Store is requesting access to your store. If you don't recognize this collaborator, you can reject this request. So all you have to do is to click this review request here as the request is pending. So here, the store is asking the following permission, but you can simply delete, or let's just say uncheck this one and give them the right permissions, okay, depending on you as a store owner. So you can deselect, you can uncheck, you can check, and that's how you give permissions to the store. Once done, click these two boxes here if you allow this app permissions here, and then click accept request. So once you tap this one, and then automatically the store will be notified that you have accepted the request. So if I'm the store, then you accepted the request. So if I go back to my Shopify partners account, then I will see there the notification that you have accepted my request. So this is what it looks like, collaborator access. So that's how easy it is to accept collaboration requests on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.